Welcome to Applied Energy Solutions Battery Information Transmitter 101 installation. I'm Ken Salbig, Service Manager with Applied Energy, and I would love to share with you the steps of what it's going to take to install your brand new bit. When you get your bit kit, you're actually going to have the device itself, which has 5 wires on it. And it's very clear as to where they each go. We have a black wire for a negative post, a blue wire that goes on the 12-volt post, which is 6 cells back from the negative. We have a current sensor lead, a thermistor lead, and a positive post lead. The 5 leads that we'll be installing shortly. This is one thing that comes with the device. You will also get the hardware it takes to do it, which consists of some screws, some tie wraps, a piece of heat shrink. You get the software to install it on either a USB disk or a CD, your choice. And you get the other USB port for your computer for the transmitter when you get ready to download your information. Step 1 is find out where on your battery you want to put the device. The device is made so it will fit between the inner cell connectors on the battery. When it comes to laying it out, find out exactly where your leads are coming out, because it makes no difference which way you mount the device on the battery. It will fit between the inner cells. The key is the temperature sensor, which does go in the electrolyte. Make sure you put that on one of the inner cells, because typically that's where a battery will be the warmest, and that's why you want to put it there. So the first thing that I would do is, once you've got the thing laid out as to where you want to do it, is on the battery, you want to disconnect the negative lead out of the connector. The easiest way to do that is to depress the spring tension with a screwdriver and go ahead and pull out the negative lead. As soon as you get that out, the first thing you're going to do is take the piece of heat shrink over the lead, slide it all the way up close to the negative post as you can get it. On the device labeled current sense lead, you're going to put that on, slide your heat shrink over, and with either heat shrink gun, hair dryer, whatever, you can go ahead and heat shrink the current sense device onto the lead. Once you've installed the current sense lead, the red lead, positive post, find your positive post, drill your pilot hole into the lead, and attach it with self-tapping screw that's supplied with it. After that's done, black is the negative lead. You're going to attach that again to the negative post. Same type screw, screw it into your into the negative post. The blue lead, go back 6 cells or 12 volts from the negative lead. Count the number of caps. When you get back there, again, drill your pilot hole and attach with self-tapping screw. So now we've attached the positive, the negative, the 12 volt. We've also attached the current sense lead. The last thing we have to attach is the temperature sensor. This is made to go into the electrolyte, which will give you the most accurate reading possible. Pick one of the inner cells, and with a drill bit, drill a hole in the top of the jar, and you can screw the temperature sensor in so that it goes down into the electrolyte, and try to keep it a 1/4 inch above the separator plate. Once that's installed, you can take your device now, depending on where your wires were, arrange it the direction you want it, attached to the device to one of the inner cells to hold the device down. And with the smaller tie wraps all the extra leads that you have into a nice neat bundle, keep them down below so that there's no way any damage can occur when the battery is in use and that type of thing. Installation of the device is now complete, and we will be having another section on software install, screenshots, and that type of thing to guide you through how to use your device.